They're having a Save Our Post rally and all that bad shit we shouldn't be eating. Woohoo!
Chad, I got money.
Well, you just took mine.
Yeah, I know.
That's good riding. It was a good one. Sorry if I was crowding you too much, man.
Not at all, not at all.
But she said yesterday I was too far away from the guys in front, so I'm like, you know what? She ain't gonna say that shit today.
Ranger, are you pushing him?
I practically passed you a couple times.
We'll get back in the backwoods like that and you can stretch out a little bit.
Yeah. When we jumped on 54, I started just hitting it right, expected everybody else to hit it. I'm like, oh shit, I just passed Ranger. Let's see, so we're here, what is this, 325. They're having a Save Our Post rally, pork roast. They got pork and everything, plus you got the post on the inside. Everybody's here. There's Miss Pam.
I have no idea I was reading that.
Good job, man. Good job.
Hey, man. What's happening? Sorry, we're on the bike today.
Give me a hug. I already gave you a pound. Shit.
Yeah.
How you doing? I ain't seen you forever either, man.
You ain't missing nothing there.
Trash man, say hi.
Hi.
There you go. Nice. You got the Chulo bike.
We got 2 tables. We've been saving for Jason, these are the guys I was telling you about. Those are the usual suspects. They're doing that Veterans Ride later on this year, like in November, December. Yeah, we met them. We met them at the camp.
How are you? Good, how are ya?
All right.
Nice to see ya.
You too.
Yeah, there's 2 tables over there, right
Right on, right on. Yeah. Good. Oh, look at it. And all that bad shit we shouldn't be eating.
Is this gonna be, are we gonna have 2 carb days? Come on, we have
A little bit.
Okay, we gotta have 2.
I don't know about a little bit. I might have to have a lot. There's a lot of good shit there.
Well, I'm glad I got mine.
Well, you just took mine.
Yeah, I know. I got money too. Go look at the basket.
I'm not sure. Don't forget to keep half your tickets. Maybe be able to identify it. You gotta keep one of your tickets.
Hello. The whole grill kick. Got the famous Weber.
Fear in check or you'll be a goner. Improvise and connect like a street performer. Yeah, can't see what's around the corner. Life's a mystery that you need to ponder. Gotta live what you believe and do what you wanna. Gotta give to receive like a street performer. Yeah, he was one of them cats hanging around the corner with an upturned hat. Down on the ground, trying to catch some cash. Busking, saxophone sound never rusting. Steady hustling, just then, around the corner came Claude. He's addicted to buying lottery tickets, it's probably a sickness. But as the morning sun broke over the roof, it caught Claude in a moment of truth. He opened and scooped a fast stack of tickets from a plastic sack, bid it farewell. And as he stepped out the stairwell, his stare fell. One to busk his hat, it had a 5 in it. Strange world, both of them just trying to survive in it. One man's treasure is another man's sickness. Drop the scratch tickets in the hat and his spirit's lifted. That's when the sax man picked the tickets up and started scratching. I know you wanna know what happened with Chuck. Can't see what's around the corner. Life's a mystery that you need to honor. Keep that fear in check or you'll be a goner. Improvise and connect like a street performer. Can't see what's around the corner. Life's a mystery that you need to ponder. Gotta live what you believe and do what you wanna. Gotta give to receive like a street performer. It was one of them days around the corner. The sun blazed like a sauna. He saw the sun rays shine on her like limelight. He started killing it like cyanide. She's feeling it, the vibe's right. Tight connection like they psychic, so why fight it? The moment's golden, souls and minds united. Then it's broken and she's walking past, but his eyes open, scoping the phone number she dropped in the hat. Now how about that? It's all in the game. Switch from Cannonball to Train, it was calling his name. Small change jingled, then a man dropped singles. He kept blowing, hoping the cash would stack like a can of Pringles. Then around the corner ran the street kid, grabbed a fat handful from the hat and the beef split. No secret, that's a stone cold bummer, but he only wondered if he still had that phone number. But can't see what's around the corner. Time's like a thief and it creep up on you. Keep that fear in check or you'll be a goner. Improvise and connect like a street performer. Can't see what's around the corner. Life's a mystery that you need to ponder. Gotta live what you believe and do what you wanna. Gotta give to receive like a street performer.
Hey folks, Doctor Cheeks here. Hope you enjoyed our little trip out to the Hudson Post. What is it, 325? 335. I don't have a real big riders group, so of course I'm missing out a lot of money that the riders bring in. And they need a little help. They had some storm damage from the hurricane. And if you guys are in the Hudson, Florida area, swing by and patronize them. We'd appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Peace. Oh yeah, by the way, we're gonna go out later on tonight to the to go see Voodoo.
Yes.
Are we gonna get drunk?
No. One of us has to drive home.
We get Uber.
And leave my bike? Are you kidding?
Okay, so that means I'm gonna be sober, and Cheeks is gonna get drunk.
No.